In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Zalando customer service 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get a response as quickly as possible. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Zalando account if you have one, and keep helpful details handy, like your order number and the email associated with your account. This will save time once you reach out. First, open your web browser and head to the Zalando help and contact page. You can get there by visiting the Zalando website and looking for help or help and contact in the footer, or by searching for Zalando help and contact in your browser. Once you're on the page, check that the country or region at the top or in the website settings matches where you're located. Zalando tailors contact options by region, and choosing the right country ensures you see the correct information and any regional notices about delivery times, returns windows, or service availability. Next, take a moment to browse the Help Center categories. You'll find quick answers on orders, delivery, returns, refunds, and payments, plus guidance on account settings and vouchers. Many issues are solved here in minutes. Use the search bar if you have a specific keyword like return label, refund status, or change address. Open the article that most closely matches your situation and follow the steps provided. Often, there are clear instructions, timelines for refunds, and links to start a return or track a parcel. If the first article doesn't quite fit, back up and try a related topic or a broader keyword. If you still need assistance after reviewing the FAQs, look for the option that says Need More Help and select it. This will take you to the contact form where you can reach them by email. Choose the topic that best matches your issue. Then write a concise message that includes your order number, a short description of the problem, and any relevant dates. If the form allows attachments, you can include screenshots or photos that clarify the issue. Avoid sharing sensitive personal data such as full payment details or passwords. Customer service will never need those. When you submit the message, keep an eye on the inbox of the email you used and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Response times can vary by region and volume, but providing clear information up front helps speed things along. That's it. Open the help and contact page, explore the FAQs, and if needed, use Need More Help to email their team. Keep your message polite, precise, and complete, and you'll be on your way to a quick resolution.